Hey guys, okay, I got a package of the game. I'm gonna run through how to get it working. It doesn't have shooting or killing or dying or map changing or anything like that, but it's one map, and you can connect to other players' games and walk around and take flags and stuff. Because I got the conquest mode more or less working. So I'm just gonna go through how to get this working. You're gonna get this folder here, unzip it, and you go to I'm sorry, it's going to be Windows No Editor Remake. It's just going to be Windows No Editor is what the thing is going to be. You just push Play Online. Now you have to be signed into Steam. So if you don't have Steam, download Steam, make an account, and sign in. Otherwise, you can still play it, but it won't be able to connect to other players because right now it uses Steam. So just sign into Steam, have Steam running. Um, it should package with this account. It should say Ghost here. If it doesn't, if it's blank like this, go to ID management and type in anything you want, but admin will allow you to spawn at any flag at any time. If you don't, then you have to own the flag. So anyway, just type in admin, you don't need a password, and just check ghost, because this will basically bypass a login server. And so you should get this, admin. This will always just be like this, because again, it doesn't know what to look for, so just ignore that. You might have to click on the screen a few times, it's kind of bugged. So just click on the screen a few times and then press the enter button. And now if you go to host game, you can host a game. The only things you should really mess with are leave the map, because it's the only map that works, is backstab. The mode, leave it on conquest, because CTF, I haven't tested it. So just leave those two alone if you want to test. I mean, you could do whatever you want, but those will work. You can change this to whatever you want. You can change this and this to whatever you want. And then these two you can change to whatever you want, as well as the name. So you can actually change it to, whatever. So let's say you do that. You can push host. You go in. You should be given this. And again, to get through these menus, push the enter key. So enter. And again, if it doesn't work, just click it, push enter a few times. There's a bug where if you are on a team, you leave and you try and join the team again, sometimes it won't proceed to this screen, so just switch teams and switch back. That should allow you to go on whatever team. Ignore this number here, this 0, ticket 0. Technically, it hasn't updated because they haven't changed, so you'll see what I mean in a minute. It's kind of, that's sort of bugged, but it doesn't matter what kit you do because the kits don't work and these numbers don't work right now. So if your name is admin, you should be able to click on any flag and spawn there. Now because I set the number, I didn't set it to 1. I need whatever it was, 3 people to join before it'll actually let me spawn. So right now it's just gonna do this. So I actually goofed that up. So let's. Okay, well this brings us to another issue, which is there's no way to escape this, so you just have to Control-Alt-Delete, and then look for third-person BP, whatever, and then just close that out, and just run it again. I know it's kind of annoying, but I just wanted to test this out, and it worked, so I figured I might as well let you guys mess around with it for a little bit. Okay, come on, pop back up. And I think this is like blank on the one, I don't know why, but whatever. So again, you can type in whatever name you want. You could, sorry, you don't want that. You want to check this ghost. So as long as that's checked ghost, it'll bypass. So I'll log in as SDFDF, whatever the hell. Actually, no, I won't, because I want to show something. So if I go to host, I change that to 1. I move this over here. Now I can spawn in, pick a class. I can pick any flag. So let's just go to flag, 2. That should, when this respawn timer hits 0. This stuff's a little bugged, the cameras and everything, but again, it's work in progress, so this is going to shoot up a little bit, whatever. So you can kind of see what we're dealing with here, and then you can take flags. So the timing on it is all sped up for debug purposes.
We have taken flag 2.
And I got some sample audio in there that my friend helped me do. So there's actually ticket bleed. You can see on the right, the other team, team 2, is losing every 5 seconds. It counts up the deficit of flags. So whoever has more, every 5 seconds it will take that many tickets. And again, this is all should all work. Tested it pretty good. So download it and talk on the Discord. See if anyone else wants to join up. And again, you have to have Steam open and running and logged in and all that jazz for it to work. So yeah, once the game ends, so when the tickets run out or the timer ends, you have to just close the game because I don't have a way to reset it just yet. So you just have to like log out the game and reboot it up. And if you have any issues with connecting to an account, a server, then just do the same thing. So, all right, guys, good luck.